Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just got out of the shower as you can see, so I'm ready for the day, the afternoon. It's already 1 o'clock. I've already been doing quite a lot of stuff. I uploaded a video today. I've been editing. I have just been like finishing up my previous vlog. So I figured why not start another vlog? So I am just going to be literally like taking you guys with me like I always do. One thing that I have to prepare for this weekend is I need to take some pictures of this couch we want to sell. There's nothing like inherently wrong with it, but it's just like it's not a very comfortable couch and it's just not our style anymore. So I'm gonna be putting that on Facebook Marketplace. I just have to kind of clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna make sure I add that we have pets, so it just needs a good cleaning. But we got it last summer, like the first summer we moved in here, which it's only been a year. So yeah, we got it last year. And it was definitely like furniture that we picked out that like we had a very small budget, so we wanted to just like get something and run with it. But now we're like, yeah, this couch is just not up our alley. So I'm going to get rid of that on Facebook Marketplace. I already put 2 of like my old cream chairs on there. They sold within like a minute because honestly they were just too cheap. Like I kind of like put them too low, but I mean that helps because you just sell it so quickly. But I don't think I got a fair price for them, but I really just wanted to get them off my back and I just wanted to get them out of the house. So it is what it is. And it went to a lady that was super excited to have them. So I'm like, you know what, that's totally fine. So anyway, that is something I need to do today. I need to take some pictures for my other account, and then I have practice tonight. It is Friday. Yesterday, like I said, I was vlogging and I did a what I eat in a day and just like another like random little vlog. So I also had volleyball yesterday as well, Thursday. So just kind of like a packed week. And then this weekend, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be pretty chill. So, like I said, I just got done showering and I wanted to show you guys the 2 products that I pretty much just put in my hair. So I put this Not Your Mother's Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Leave-In Conditioner. Love it, it makes my hair so smooth. And then this Bondi Boost Intensive Spray. This one is amazing. It makes my hair so soft, but it's also helping like kind of grow it. That's what it's for. Like it's supposed to help grow your hair. I've only been using it for a few weeks, so I haven't seen a huge difference, but I just think my hair is growing naturally on its own as well. But I do really like this product. And I just take a wide tooth comb and comb out my ends first after about 5 minutes of those products just sitting in there so it can really soak it up. I also put in, while my hair was still wet, just a heat protectant spray. I'm not sure if I will be using it like heat today, but I mean, again, it doesn't hurt to put it in, so that's what I'm doing. I don't always use that either. It's just kind of like if I remember it. So I had to switch over to my phone quick, but I am now going to go pick up a prescription, and then I kind of want to go, since it's Friday, I kind of want to treat myself and go to like my favorite coffee place. But where I need to pick up is the exact opposite place of the coffee place, and it's already like 15 minutes away from me. So maybe I'll make the trek over there. I still haven't decided, but that's what I need to do right now. Hi, could I just get a large iced chai with light ice, please?
Alright, anything else?
Just that.
Alright.
Thank you. Literally so good. I just get an iced chai. I haven't had this in literally like months. Oh my gosh, so good. Okay, it's 2 o'clock and I just made some lunch. I just heated up like this quick frozen meal, but it looks so good. It's like just like buffalo chicken mac. I wanted to edit my video that I just filmed, but Brian took the adapter, but I don't have anything to like download through the SIM card, so I'm just gonna have to figure out something else to do. I still need to take pictures, but yeah. So not too long after this, I was like, what is a good productive way to spend my time? And I'm like, I feel like cleaning is always something good to do, and you can always clean no matter how clean your house already is. My house wasn't very clean at all to begin with, so I just had to tidy up and just like do these random things that I don't always do. Like, I mean, obviously I have to clean the counters, but then I had to kind of get rid of our old fruit and stuff, and then I also had to clean like the cabinets. Have you guys ever had to do that? Like, I don't know what it is, but our cabinets, maybe because they're white, they just get so dirty. I don't know if I just spill all the time or just like random little stuff everywhere. So I ended up doing that as well literally all over, just so crusty, it's insane. And I won't say that I always do this, but it's definitely really nice to clean on Fridays instead of kind of doing it on like Sundays like a lot of people do. I mean, I still do it on Sundays, but cleaning on Fridays is so nice because you just have like a clean home for the weekend. Like, you don't have to worry about like, oh, that's another thing I have to do this weekend. Like, you can just relax. And after I vacuumed, I just put on a bunch of candles. I literally lit all of them, and then I have some like jazz music going, literally just my favorite thing to do. And then of course I had to continue to tidy up, and that includes just a bunch of dishes. I did also end up running the dishwasher, but there's just like a few items I'm not supposed to put in the dishwasher. Honestly, if it wasn't for Brian, truth be told, I would be putting them in the dishwasher. But anyway, it was just really nice to have such a clean house. And I also like to do this so Brian has a clean house to come home to, and he just doesn't have to stress about cleaning and just stuff like that. Like, it's just so calm. The pets love it, and they like to ruin it every chance they get. Like, just look at them. I haven't updated the vlog in a little bit, but it is currently 10:15 and I just got out of volleyball practice, and I'm on my way now to Lifetime. I'm gonna go sit in the sauna for a little bit and just enjoy my Friday night. I got to Lifetime, and honestly, it was surprisingly busy, and I decided to go in like not the communal sauna, which is the one that I usually go to, because I always go to the sauna with Brian. So obviously we're not just gonna like go to the gym together and like sit in separate rooms. So I usually go to that one just because it's also like much hotter too. But this one definitely does get hot. Like, you can get a pretty good sweat on in like the women's sauna. But I also never do this, and I never have time like just for myself in there. So I was really stretching and just relaxing, kind of like doing like those relaxing breathing techniques. But just, it was just so nice. I literally never stretch really, and I know I should. But again, I just am trying to take more time for myself and just focus on myself recently. So that's a great way to start doing it. I didn't end up going in the steam room in this video, but I have been meeting my friend Paige at Lifetime every Monday, and we just go for a little walk, and then we do the sauna and steam room. And I'm usually not a steam room gal, but honestly, I love it. Like, it's just so clearing, and you really only need like 5 to 10 minutes in there. I typically spend about 20 minutes in the sauna though, especially when Brian and I go. It's upwards of maybe 30 minutes as well. So the next day, we met my sister and we decided to go grab some food super randomly. Just a very spontaneous day. We went to go to this like really kind of exotic fish store that was right across a certain store that we were interested in. But for now, we just got to see all these weird fun fish, like fish I've never seen before. Very, like I said before, exotic and very expensive. If you see that price tag, that thing was like $300. I have no clue why. I'm sure it's like in high demand, obviously, but just some gross looking things. Like, look at that. But then the coral reefs, I'm like, okay, I'm not this type of like fish tank person, but how pretty is that? Like, that is just so stunning. I would love to have that in my house. Then on a whim, we went and got tattoos. I have multiple tattoos, as you guys know, but these were Brian's first 2 tattoos ever, and I got this reaction. So painful. Then on Sunday, we had to wake up bright and early and head down to Minneapolis because I went to work with Brian, and we just worked a little booth for his job. We ended up staying for like 7 hours. I got some coffee, obviously not too bad at all. I forgot to vlog this part, but we did end up going to Lifetime and sitting in the sauna for like 30 minutes. And then we're like, you know what, Sunday evening, it was like 8 p.m. We went to Red Robin. Brian got some mozzarella sticks and I got a milkshake. And then he also ended up getting a burger. I got the Oreo milkshake, I want to say. It was so good, but I was so full. I had like so much fun this weekend just being like kind of impulsive with Brian. As bad as that sounds, like I said, we just randomly went and got tattoos. Brian has never had a tattoo, so he got his first 2 and they were just so fun. I of course got another tattoo. Super random again, like I was just like, you know what, these are really cute designs and that's more of what I like for tattoos. None of my tattoos have like an insane amount of meaning, and some people find that stupid, but that's fine. I just think, I'm like, you know what, they're super cute and yeah, I'd have this on my body. So anyway, that's what we did. But you know what I still want to do? You know what I still want to do after being so impulsive? I want to get my nose pierced, like so bad, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. I'm really trying to save my money. And when I said that, like, it's like, well, you just spent money on tattoos, but this is true. So anyway, I just had so much fun this weekend.